If you need to find the privacy policy on CapCut, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps so you can open it in just a few clicks. This is useful if you want to understand how CapCut handles your data, review their policies, or simply find the official privacy information inside the app. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple app tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your device and make sure you're on the main screen. Once you're inside CapCut, look for the settings icon in the top right corner and click it. This will open up the settings menu where you can find different account and app options. After that, move your cursor over terms and policies. When you hover over that section, CapCut will show you the policy options available. From there, click Privacy Policy. That will open CapCut's privacy policy so you can read the full details. If the page opens in your browser, that's completely normal. It simply means CapCut is directing you to the official policy page for easier viewing. Take your time to review it if needed, and if you ever want to come back to it later, you can repeat the same steps anytime. So to quickly recap, open CapCut, click the settings icon in the top right, hover over terms and policies, and then click Privacy Policy. That's all there is to it. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.